Okay, as our next performance is the ramp walk by grade 1 and 2 students. So I will be calling out the name and the profession they are going to represent. So may I request the students to come on the stage one by one. The first two students are Sharvi and Asarv, and they are here as dancers. Next we have Aashrika as an air hostess and Ivan as a pilot. Similarly, we have Padmashree and Prabhu as lawyers. Aaryahi as a nurse and Shrestha as a doctor. And Savar as safe. Adhyashree and Benicia as actors. Prabritee and Ketan as farmers. Aadhya and Sonam as police officers. Agrata and Amiyash as engineers. Shrestha and Sonam as teachers. And Savar as slaves. Adhyashree and Benicia as actors again. Applause, please.
I get wings to fly. I feel that when you bless the day, I just drift away. All my worries die. I know.
Whatever professions we be in, we should always be respecting another profession. That is what they want to pass the message to all. Thank you so much, children.